Madam Caroline B, mwalimu wa Cheptuiyet Comprehensive School. Leo tumeamkia asubuhi ambayo haijatufurahisha kwamba darasa letu lilibebwa na upepo. Sababu ya mvua nyingi ilinyesha jana usiku. Madarasa matatu yaliharibika na wanafunzi ambao walikuwa nasomea hiyo madarasa wamekosa mahali pa kusomea. Tunaomba serikali tusaidie kutoka ofisi ya MCA yetu Rogony, pia ofisi ya MB Cheptuiyet Soin, tunaomba usaidizi wako, na pia ofisi ya governor na pia ofisi ya senator. Sasa hii wanafunzi wana mahali pa kusomea, wamefinyika kwa madarasa. Hakuna kazi mingi ambayo inaendelea kwa shule yetu. Tunaomba usaidizi kwa wanafunzi ili tupate kuwahudhuria, sababu wanaenda kufanya mtihani. Darasa ambao liliharibiwa ni darasa la grade ya 6, madarasa mawili matatu. Kwa hivyo tunaomba usaidizi. Asante sana.
And the government may chip in and assist us as the community, because our children need to continue with learning as usual together with other learners. So we have decided today that we could not close the school because they also need to continue like the other schools. So we have squeezed them to some areas where they are being squeezed. So we have today classes of maybe 80, 100 learning in the same classroom. We have integrated some classes. The classes which were damaged were grade 6, both classes grade 6 and grade 5. So if there is any assistance from the government, we are appealing that we get some donors so that we renovate the classrooms which were destroyed.
It was really a mysterious event that took place yesterday. We are very sad as a community. So what I will urge the MP for Cheptuiyet Soin, Mr. Justice Kemei, we are really requesting you to assist us in this destroy school. We really beg so that you can come and intervene to assist us, so that the learners of this Cheptuiyet Primary School will continue studying as the learners of other schools. Also, we ask the Ministry of Education to come also and intervene to assist us. We are really very sad.
Leo asubuhi tuliamkia kufika shuleni tukapata kwamba madarasa grade la 6 ilikuwa imepepwa na upepo. Hivyo tunaomba serikali na wahisani wote sikiwemo CDF, serikali ya kaunti ya Kericho itusaidie kabisa. Hususan ama ikumbuke kwamba wanafunzi wa grade la 6 mwaka huu watafanya mtihani wa KPSEA. Hivyo tunaomba wahisani watusaidie kwa hali na mali ili tusaidie.
I'm Joseph Cheptuiyet. I come from around. I'm a POG member, and it is very unfortunate in our school that the rain, which caused a lot of damages in the school. It is now very fortunate for the children, because it is something which will make the children miss a lot of classes. So I think the BOG members will report maybe in the next 2 days, and we shall sit down to find out what we shall do in order to help these children so that they cannot miss classes. Requesting the MP for our area to come and help these children, and even he himself can help one another with the MCA, because this is a big problem.
We are here for this disaster happened in Cheptuiyet Primary na tumeshuhudia, and we urge the community and all the leaders, we pray for our area, for these calamities that it happened. We want the government to assist us in terms of to pour allocation of enough allocation of money to this area. So we don't know whether our ancestors are angry about their land. So we want to know whether this land has been paid to ancestral ancestors. So those are some other aspects that may cause this calamity. Another thing in this area, the community urge the MC of the area to finish the ECD, which is here, Cheptuiyet Primary School. It has not yet functions. We have fought it since 2007 till